Subscribe to our channel Career Tutorial and press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about a very important examination, that is IIFT, which is conducted by NTA. So without any delay, let's begin this video. So friends, first of all, this institute was established in 1963 under the Ministry of Trade and Commerce, which is just established to focus the main aim of this institute was to cater the building careers of the students in those sectors where foreign trade takes place, and for which this examination is conducted, and it is the well recognized, and this institute IIFT comes under a very highly reputed as well as high ranked B school in our country. It is under top 20 by the ranking, and for which this examination is conducted. And through this examination, the candidates seeking for MBA courses, especially in international business, they are offered these courses through this examination, and it is especially for this institute. And NTA conducts this examination as the name of IIFT examination for taking admission in these courses of MBA in international business. It is similar to as the CAT or that, like the syllabus is also the same way. I will be talking about it. And first of all, eligibility criteria is just that you have to pass your graduation with minimum of 50%, and for the reserved category minimum of 45% to sit in this examination. And after that, you also have to appear at its essay and GDPI, that is group discussion, personal interview, to get the final selection for getting admission in this college. Although the fee is very much high because MBA is expensive or little bit pricier courses which is available in our country, like IIMs also charges a high fee. So approx 18 to 20 lakhs is the fee of these colleges, and it has 3 branches available in Delhi, Kolkata, Kakinada. And the syllabus is just verbal ability, reading comprehension, quantitative aptitude, DILR and GA. Pattern of the examination is also similar to that way, like 2 hours of online examination is there and consisting of 110 questions in MCQ format. This is the national level examination which is conducted every year to take admission in all 3 IIFT campuses, that is I have already told Delhi, Kolkata and Kakinada. And along with it, a lot of other examinations are also held for MBA admissions. I will be also making video on those. And the registration fee for appearing at this examination is 2500 for general, and reserved category, that is 1000 registration fee. Along with that, the seats available is 420 in all its 3 campuses are available on which you can take admission. So it is a top level examination, and also the college IIFT is also very high class MBA course providing colleges. You can look out for it and also appear at this examination if you are interested. NTA, National Testing Agency, conducts this examination every year, and for which a lot of students sit and appear. If you are interested, then you can visit at their original and official website if you are interested in this type of MBA courses, and I will also be making videos on the this type of examination as well. So friends, as of now I am signing off, and hope so you like the video. If you really like, then share to your friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips from our channel. So thanks for watching the video. All the best.